Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Confetti Collection box and it's a new box this month and it's a little smaller and I love that. I said this month, but it's actually a bi-monthly box and this is the December-January box and I cannot wait to get in there and see what we have. So before we get into this video, I just want to let you guys know about a weird little story that happened yesterday. One of my viewers, thank you very much, let me know that somebody had taken one of my videos, my Allure November video, and posted it as their own as a December video. The only point of that would be to get people to sign up for Allure under you. And of course, by posting it as a December video, since none of the rest of us have our December boxes yet, it's basically clickbait. Because once you click on it, because it says December, you go to my November video. So I just wanted to let you guys know, it's not me. I don't know what's happening. I don't know how somebody managed to just take my video and post it as their own. I talked to YouTube. They told me to file a copyright infringement. But because of that, I feel compelled to say, hi, I'm Kathryn. My channel is KathRINMCCARTY. If you're not watching that channel right now, somebody has stolen my video. So I'm sure that it will all resolve, but I just thought I would mention it because now I think when I do my intros, I'm going to say, hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Kathryn. You're watching my channel, KathRINMCCARTY. If you are not, I've been stolen again. Okay, guys, let's get into this confetti box, which I haven't even opened yet. I love this box. I know. Oh, it's not sealed. I just went to cut it and it's not sealed. It's just... Wow, that's a lot of faith in their box. There was no tape holding that together. When we open it, oh, I love that this is so much smaller. This is what it looks like. And we have our shred, but it's a way more reasonable amount. And I have my little burrito of goodies. And then just a little bit of shred. And this time of year, no worries. That will absolutely get used, getting put into bags of Christmas gifts. Of course, now I have shred everywhere. Anyway, okay, let's get into my burrito of goodness. So Confetti Collection is $19.99, so it's a $20 subscription basically. And you also pay shipping, which for me is $5. And it's every other month, and you get novelty things, stationery things, really cute products that I use. We have received in the past like ribbons and bows, and I get so many things to make lists on, and your girl's a list maker. So it really works for me. I enjoy receiving it so much. So once I get it open, this is what my goodies look like. We'll take the paper right off top and see what it says. It says surprise. It always does. Which box did you get? Something juicy or wish upon a star? Well, since most of what I see is fruit, I'm going to go with, I got the something juicy one. We've included something for your desk, something for your feet, something for your thoughts, and more. Need a last minute gift? Use the gift bag and the shred and share something with a friend. See, so they know what we're doing with the shred out there. So like I said, this is the December-January box, if I didn't say that. And the first thing I'm going to take out first is big, and it says 1 in a melon. That's what that looks like. I guess it's supposed to be like a watermelon. Oh, and it just pulls right out. How cute is that? Aw, and they look like little melon socks. They are so cute. And it is a pair of socks that look like watermelons. Oh my gosh, guys, that is so cute. I love that. I will definitely use that. Although they are packaged so nicely. This would make a really nice gift. I mean, it's a little drawer. It's cute. Next I have, oh, that little bag they were talking about if we wanted to give a gift. This is a really cute sized bag, like if you had a piece of jewelry with a little rainbow on it, and oh, look, little yarn tassels. Guys, that is so cute. And this is C.R. Gibson, again, is the brand, and they do a lot with C.R. Gibson. Next, I have a pink book. Kind of feels like a microfiber, and it's got a little sequin on it. How cute is that? And it's just a little notepad. Lined papers. And this says X&O paper goods, but it also says C.R. Gibson. So, oh, that's neat. It has 3 attached separate bookmarks. So you could have them throughout for things you want to remember. Yep, I can definitely use that in my life. Next I have X&O paper goods by C.R. Gibson. So we're seeing our theme here. 10 Pom-Pom push pins. That is so cute. Let's get them out of here. I have these. I took them out so we could see them and have a dud. So I'll have to get out my hot glue. But they're just pom-poms. The part that makes it look like a ice cream cone is just on the paper. And we have 8 on there. And then in the bag that it came in, there's 2 other little extra ones. So that is so cute. So that is perfect, like on a cork board. So cute. All right, and next we have, oh, this is heavy. This is a lemony box. I suspect there's going to be another pad of paper in there. It's really firm. Oh, when we open it, how cute is that? It's just a memo pad, but it looks like lemons. That is so cute. This is an interesting choice for a December box. I mean, I'm fine with fruit, and fruit can be year-round. It's just an interesting choice for December. Next, I have Humor, to bring you laughter. And it's just a little push pin, a little like lapel pin that you would wear. I'm sure one of my granddaughters will like that because it looks like an emoji. But that's just a cute little wearing pin. You know, it makes me think of Flair. Like if you go to TGI Fridays, you know how they all wear the ties and with the flare. That's Flair. This is Cord Keepers by C.R. Gibson. Oh, this is a fantastic idea. I could so use one of these in my purse because sometimes I carry my earbuds and you could just wrap up your cord and it would help keep it together. That is a great idea. I'm going to take one out so you can see it. And it just looks like a little piece of fruit and you can open it up, put your cord in, snap it, and it's just a little cord keeper. And you can use it like if you have a long one, you want to make shorter and keep it together. Or like I said, I'm going to put my earbuds in it and kind of have them out, coming out each side. And that'll keep them from getting all tangled up in my purse. I am so happy to have that, guys. Next, we have a pen. And I love their pens. The last pen that we got was one called Let's Flamingo. And it was a little pink pen with a flamingo. And this one is a banana pen. And the charm is a banana, and it's just a yellow pen. I think it's the same brand that we got before, but with the cute little bananas on it. That is so cute. So with the little banana pen sitting on top of this in my kitchen to make little notes on, like grocery lists, that's gonna be so cute. And last we have the Pouch with Tassel by C.R. Gibson. I guess it is completely up to us what we want to keep in our pouch with tassel, but this is what it looks like. Looks like a pencil pouch is probably what they think since it's a stationery box. But it's just, they've put a piece of cardboard in it so that in travel it keeps its shape. But it's just a cute little tassel-y box. Relative to showing you size, here's a pin that I keep up here. It's perfect. Actually, this, with this on it, would be nice in my purse. And it's got a cute little tassel. I like that a lot. That is this month's Confetti Collection box. And I am, once again, very pleased with it because I do love stationery and all the kind of things that go with it. Like I've said so many times when I make these videos, I am still that kind of person that I like to write things down. I do some things online, but as a rule, if I'm going to the grocery store, darn it, I'd like a piece of paper that says, don't forget the bread. That's just who I am. I'm just that old. So we got the little pouch with the tassel and the cute pin in bananas, and then the lemon pad of paper. These really cute little cord keepers, which I'm seriously so happy to have. This cute little pen that I am sure, like I said, one of my granddaughters will just love. This notepad, which again, I'm always taking notes. People are always like, what are you writing down? Things I don't want to forget. This really cute little bag that we can put a present in. The Pom-Pom push pins, how cute are those? And the 1 in a Melon socks, which are so cute. I liked it. I think for $19.99, it's a great box. So thanks for coming by, guys, and I really appreciate you being here. Again, hi, I'm Kathryn. You're on my channel, Kathryn McCarty. If you're not, bad things have happened to my videos again. I will see you guys really soon. Thank you so much for being here. Please like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. I hope you're having a great holiday season.